Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do a video for you, and I'm sorry if you see like little things floating around in the air. It's from this shawl. I'm trying to keep my shoulders warm. But anyway, completely off topic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a video for you about 13 tips on how to make your home feel a little bit more luxurious on a budget. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like these tips. I think that these things make my home feel a little bit more luxurious, but I'm not breaking the bank because I love style in my home, but I'm also very frugal, and so I think these little tips you can incorporate into your home in your own personal kind of style. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys what I'm talking about, and let's get to the video. Okay, first let's start with your bathroom. So in your bathroom, I think that one thing that helps make your home feel more luxurious are very nice hand soaps and body washes in really nice bottles. I think that they're very appealing to look at. You can find different ones for a really good price. The ones that I'm showing in this video, I actually got from, I got those from Home Goods, I believe. But I always get my soaps and things of that nature from like Home Goods or from Ross, just places that I can get them pretty inexpensively. Also, I believe I got the larger one in the video from TJ Maxx, and I think that was about $5 or $7 for the body wash, and then they hand wash with like $3 or $4. So you can definitely find them for a really inexpensive price, but they have this like feel of class to them, so I think that kind of spruces up your bathroom just a bit. Okay, the next thing that I like to add into my home to kind of give it another bit of a luxurious feel would be gadgets. Cool looking gadgets that are appealing to the eye, like this particular gadget that I bought myself on Black Friday, and it is a essential oil diffuser, and it's so cool. It changes colors. It smells great. You can fill it with water, and then you put a few drops of whatever essential oil you like in there. And right now I have an orange and lemongrass. It smells fantastic. It's very calming, and so not only does it give a nice appeal to your room, I have it in my bedroom, but it also gives it a nice relaxing feel, and it just, you know, makes you feel a little bit more luxurious. My next tip of something that you should try is finding really cool accent chairs to put into your home. If you have a room for them, you can you know, place them for extra sitting for when you have guests. It's just something that you can do that's very, very easy to spruce up your home. They're relatively inexpensive if you definitely, you know, go bargain shopping for them. Bargain shopping, I cannot speak. But like the chair in this video, that was $32 or $35 on clearance at Target, and I have that sitting in my bedroom, and it just, you know, it's kind of there where I can lay my clothes across it. I have another one on the other side of the room as well that has like a completely different look and feel, and I just think those help to add like a little something extra in your bedroom or in your living room. You can put a specific throw on it, or you can put it just out for extra sitting, but it can go with your decor. And I just think that if you get one that has either like the studded detail like the one in this video, or something that has really beautiful elegant detailing to it, it can really change the look of your home. And that brings me to the next topic. Okay, a nice fluffy throw. They look so nice if they're in your living room, if you want to snuggle on the couch with them, or if you want it at the end of your bed. A nice fluffy throw just looks so elegant and classy, and I think that is a very easy way to add a little oomph to your home to give it that little bit of a extra luxurious, really relaxed kind of feel. Another thing that I really like is fancy looking pillows. So I found some pillows at Ross, and they were $20 a piece, and they remind me of like just Versailles and just class and elegance, and I really like those. And you can definitely find these pillows, and they're great quality. They are down-filled, so if you're not, you know, for that, of course you can find other options, but Ross has so many options. And if you don't have a Ross, definitely go to like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, places like that, where you can find really inexpensive, beautiful things to add as accents into your home, and they give that extra something that you're probably, you know, missing. Just like artwork, it's the same kind of feel. It's something very intricate that you can look at and just gives you a really good feeling. My next tip is something that I love, like I'm crazy about, and it's marble accents. I love marble. Marble will always be classy to me. Marble will always be everything to me. It is my favorite. And just those marble accents in different places just helps. It just helps everything to look so classy and so nice. And so you can use that in your kitchen. You can use, like my desk, as you can see in this video, it's covered in marble contact paper. So my desk was white and glass, and so I completely covered the glass and marble, and it just gave it a completely different look, and it's just really cool. And I just love the way it turned out, and it just gives you that extra something. You know, like I've been saying throughout the video, just that extra something that just adds a bit of class and luxury to your home. I also really love acrylic accents or acrylic storage. And as you can see, if you follow me on Instagram, I showed my new acrylic storage that I have in my bathroom. I also show it here. Also my candle holders on my candle holders on my mantle in my living room are also acrylic, and then I have fairy lights behind them, and I don't know, it just brings something extra to my setup, and it's just something that's just very simple but yet classy and just beautiful, and it just gives you a little extra oomph, like I've been saying. And it's just something that I think is very easy and inexpensive to do if you want to up your luxuriousness. Luxuriousness. So adding a bit of sparkle always helps with the luxurious factor. That will always be a go-to. Either it be very simple things, or if you have the ability to adding, let's say something like here, like on this knob, it's a little sparkly knob, something so simple like that can change things for you. Also just adding a accent piece or a vase that's a little bit of a sparkle to it, that gives you a little something extra. Just sparkle is just something that can make anything look much more expensive and classy. And a nice chandelier, a very beautiful sparkly crystal chandelier can do wonders. But of course, if you're on a budget, I'm sure there's ones that are made out of different material that you can use that will be much more inexpensive, but give the same beautiful effect. So you can definitely try those things out as well. In your bedroom, adding a nice headboard could be something that is extremely easy to do, but it also ups your luxurious factor, or your luxurious luxury fantastical factor. Just having something like mine that I'm going to show you guys right now. I got it on Amazon for like $88. It looks super nice. I was just laying in the bed, so it's probably a little messy, but it looks super nice, and especially with my pin tuck comforter and pillow set, it looks so nice, and it looks so classy and well put together, and it was extremely inexpensive. So you do not have to spend a lot of money to bring luxury into your home at all. Another thing that I really love are faux flowers. I love flowers, but I always tell my boyfriend I hate real flowers because they die and they don't last as long as I would like, so I am obsessed with faux flowers. Faux flowers can be put in many places and they just look fantastic, and they bring a little bit of more luxury and joy into the home. I have one that's sitting on the table as you walk into the house from the front door. I have one next to my bed. I have one on my little dresser behind me. I have one on the little island in our kitchen. I just like to have some, you know, flowers in our home to just give it a little bit more brightness and elegance, and I think that's something that's really easy to do. They're really inexpensive. You can get them from the dollar store and make your own kind of centerpiece, or you can go to, let's say, Amazon, and you can get like some really pretty tea flowers for super inexpensive. So yeah, those are some options of trying that, just, you know, placing flowers here and there just to give your house a little bit more something special and a little bit of nature on the inside. The next thing that I would suggest is a nice linen spray. Linen spray can just make things smell so nice and just classy, and it's lighter than it would be using a let's say just a air freshener. We have a canvas or a fabric couch, and so I like to use our linen spray on the couch and on the pillows to keep it fresh and to keep it feeling very nice and light and homey. And I really love things that have like bergamot or mint or eucalyptus in it, because it's just very fresh and simple. And so that's definitely a tip that I would suggest. Also for your bedroom, to keep your you know, your sheets and things smelling really nicely, things of that nature. It's just a really handy little tip that you can do, but of course if you're sensitive to fragrance, you don't have to do that. But it's just something that I kind of like to do. I like to spray and just kind of stand there and just smell how light and nice it really is. Okay, so the next tip, this would be tip number 12, would be gemstones. Adding some gemstones in your home is another way to up the luxury factor, because they're just very calming. Again, a little bit more nature into your home. My best friend, she actually made me this centerpiece, which she knows that I love like crystals and I love gemstones, and just putting that together with the moss and in this wonderful container that has the geometric shapes, it just gives a little something different, and I use that as a centerpiece on our dining room table. It's completely beautiful and it's really easy to do, but it also gives you a little something extra into your dining room without overdoing anything. So that's a way to add gemstones, or you can actually find coasters that are like geodes. That's really cool. You can find those on Amazon, and you can use those, and it can give you a little bit of a boost, because they have some that are like golden marble. They have some that are like these blue geodes with gold rings around them. Just really pretty items that you can add to your home that just kind of makes everything look really classy and nice. And last but not least, this would be tip number 13, the final one, which would be gold, rose gold, or copper accents. I love marble and rose gold together. I think those things are so beautiful. If I can't find something in rose gold, I get it in copper, like these measuring cups. I think these measuring cups are just very classy. They're very simple. They're very beautiful. They add a little something extra, but they're not expensive. And I believe I got these from Ross for, I think they were like $11. If I'm remembering correctly. But they were like super simple, and I'm just like, oh, that would look super cool in the kitchen. It'll bring things together, and it just looks so nice and classy. And so you can do things as simple as that, and it will change up an entire look. I also got a copper, what you call it? It's the little, I'm tongue-tied, I can't remember what it is. What is it that I just got? Oh yeah, it's for your fruits and vegetables. It's like a 2-layer fruits and vegetable basket, and it just looks super, super nice in the kitchen with all of the other little accent pieces. It's beautiful, and it just brings everything together. So I hope you guys enjoyed those tips. Those were 13 tips on how to make your house feel a little bit more luxurious. If you happen to have any suggestions for videos in the future, please let me know and leave it down below in the comments. I just thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like this video. And just, yeah, I hope you enjoy, and come on back because I have another video that I'll be doing tomorrow. And I should have uploaded this one yesterday, but I wasn't feeling well, so you're getting this today. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful one, and I'll see ya. Bye guys.